In this video we will see the top companies in India having zero promoter holding. There are several large and well-known companies in India where the promoters own no stock. Yes, these businesses have no promoters and are owned or managed by professionals. Let us look at the top companies in India with no promoter holdings and the allocation of their shareholding patterns across public, foreign institutional investors, and domestic institutional investors. With a market capitalization of 370,249 crore rupees, ITC Ltd is a large cap stock in India's cigarette, tobacco and FMCG sector. According to ITC's most recent shareholding pattern as of June 2022, the public owns 44.50% of the corporation, FII owns 12.68%, and DII, which includes mutual fund houses, insurance companies, and other domestic financial institutions, owns the remaining 42.82%. Yes Bank is a large cap stock in India's private banking sector, having a market capitalization of about 35,802 crore rupees. According to Yes Bank's most recent shareholding pattern as of June 2022, the public owns 44.70% of the corporation, FII owns 11.37%, and DII owns the remaining 43.93%. With a market capitalization of 547,067 crore rupees, ICICI Bank is a large cap stock in India's private banking industry. According to the most recent ICICI Bank shareholding pattern from June 2022, the government owns 0.23% of the company, the public owns 10.89%, FII owns 43.54%, and DII owns the remaining 45.33%. Larsen & Toubro Limited is a large cap stock in India's construction engineering industry with a market capitalization of 248,030 crore rupees. It was formed in 1938 by two Danish engineers seeking sanctuary in India. According to L&T's most recent shareholding pattern as of June 2022, the public owns 44.07% of the company, FII owns 21.09%, the government owns 0.23%, and DII owns the remaining 34.61%. Infrastructure Development Finance Company Limited, or IDFC for short, is an Indian finance firm. IDFC Limited stock is a mid-cap stock in India's NBFC finance industry with a market capitalization of 8,717 crore rupees. According to IDFC Limited's most recent shareholding pattern, the public owns 50.55% of the company, the government owns 16.37%, FII owns 20.58%, and DII owns the remaining 12.49%. Ujjivan Financial Services Limited is a small-cap stock in India's finance term loan industry, having a market capitalization of more than 1,898 crore rupees. According to Ujjivan's most recent shareholding pattern as of June 2022, the public owns 58.62% of the company, FII owns 30.71%, and DII owns the remaining 10.67%. With a market capitalization of 22,562 crore rupees, the Federal Bank is a mid-cap stock in India's private banking sector. According to the most recent Federal Bank shareholding pattern from June 2022, the public owns 30.74% of the corporation, FII owns 26.01%, and DII owns the remaining 43.25%. With a market capitalization of 8,778 crore rupees, UTI Asset Management Company Limited is a mid-cap stock in India's asset management and finance industry. According to the most recent shareholding pattern of UTI AMC as of June 2022, the public owns 10.25% of the company, FII owns 6.49%, and DII owns the remaining 83.26%.